So it's a long weekend. It's Victoria Day on Monday, so we have a long weekend. Anyway, so yeah, we have 3 hours of travel so far. Naka-travel na kami ng 30 minutes siguro. Ayan ang aming driver. Passenger tulog. Isa nakamask. Ano ba eh? Hindi na nakamask ka. Ayan. It's like in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. There. Paano kung walang hangin? So, I will sleep later. Mag-vlog muna ako. Lara, pretending to sleep. Hi, ate. Ah, 3 days of not doing household chores. That's nice. Good for me. I'll be able to relax. Sabi ko, dadaling ko yung panlinis ng kuko ko. I forgot. At least makapaglinis pa ako ng kuko. Anyway, I'll talk to you later, everybody. Lara! And I'll see you later. We're going to Windsor Sculpture Park. And alas 3 pa yung 3 p.m. is our check-in. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. What do you call this bridge? This is the
Ambassador Bridge.
Oh, Ambassador
the
Bridge.
longest suspension bridge in the world.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Bakit suspension?
Right there.
Naka-suspend. Ayan. So, everybody.
Basta mayroong ganon, suspension nyo.
Yeah.
Okay.
May suspender.
May tali.
May suspender nga.
Naka-suspender. Ayan. Oh, hello, hello. Hello, Lara. Ayaw nila magsitingin sa
Oy, vlog daw, vlog.
We're here at, ano tawag ulit dito?
Windsor Sculpture Park.
Windsor Sculpture Park. Ayan sila.
Technically, you can go all the way to America.
Ilang minutes kami nag-ikot-ikot for parking. Ayan na. Andyan na mag-fishing ang mga fishermen.
Maraming. Di ba nakita mo yung list of spot na sinabi ko? Magkakasunod yan.
Oh.
Kasi kaya kung wala dito, pwede tayong pumunta doon.
Yeah.
Kasi doon pa sa kabila ng bridge na yan, meron din doon.
Hello. So, despite of the weather saying it's like 27 degrees, mahangin, it's windy, so kailangan ko magdoble yan, mag-blanket. It's so cold. Hi. And we're all here fishing. Where's your cat?
Father.
Where's your father? I don't know.
Father, my cat is in my dreams.
So, ito yung mga fishers. Kung naarawan yung mga pagkain. Oh, there. Papa's here, ate. Setting up there. Fisherman. Say hi. Hi. Edinel, where's your fishing rod? Wag mo dadalhin yung cellphone mo dyan pag yan nalaglag, ha? Ha?
You're eating again, Jabas. What's that again?
Inopen niya yung cooler. Kumuha ng ano. Kumuha ng candy. Ay, naiwan na yung shoes. Bata nag-enjoy. Sa dami ng books, hindi mo na alam. Pakamako ka pa. Oh.
Anong hindi ko alam?
Sa dami ng klase ng book. Hi, Laura. How many fish did you watch your pata? I almost hit a bird! Yay! So, ayan ang states. Sa kabilang dulo na yan. Yan, yung kabilang side. Yung mga building. That's Detroit. Hello, hello. Ano sis, may nahuli ka ng
Maliit.
maliit.
Gusto ko yung ano, artificial.
Ayaw kanya, oo. Hello. Ang mga kiddos nag-enjoy. It says Detroit Princess.
Remove your diaper.
Wow, Detroit Princess. So long. Wait, I'm taking a video of the ship. You're scared of a dog? There's the ship. Hello. So the kids want to go to go-kart. So we brought them here. It's a long walk. And it's so hot. Probably it's like 28 to 30 degrees. And we're so happy. So they're walking. Oh, grabe, ang layo. Ang layo ng entrance. 15 minutes na yata kami naglalakad. Sobrang init. Napawisan na ako. I hope this is the right entrance. Okay. See you later. Yellow hat.
Video ka?
Oo, video ako. Sige. Daddy now! Ayaw niya tumingin. Na-distract ko siya dati nung sa Nalhagara. Na ano siya. Yan. Asa na sila yung Riel? Parating na yata. Wala. Oh, there. Oo. Ay. Kapag sinara sa kapapa niya, ako hindi na naiiwan ako. Wow, did you have fun, Jaden? Oh, there's Jaden. Jump, and Amelia. Asa na si CJ? Wala pa.
Wala pa eh. Nahuli.
Papagal first
Kaya nga
time.
ang nakataano lang kasi yung mga kasus yung iba.
Yes, that's CJ. Wow. Meron na siyang video niya. CJ ulit. Here's our dinner. Wow, prepared by Sister Berta, Pastora.
Okay guys, kain na.
Wow. Higado ba ito? Minudo. By Brother June Martins. Ay, sanitize. Oh, mag-sanitize kayo. Jebez. Jaden.
No more food in.
Eating time.
Kape, kamsa.
Kape.
Jabez, you need to eat rice, okay?
Yung kay Lara, anak. Malamig kasi. Hello, everybody. It's 10 p.m.
It's
And
10
we're-
already?
I guess. I think so.
Think so?
And we're back to fishing. Hands free!
Yeah.
Okay, ayan na.
Okay.
Busy na naman po sila.
Regular one.
Busy na naman. There's UJ. Si... Hello. Hello. Ay! Naku, pinagalaan ko po sa video. I know. Mga ano, talagang pamalakasan. Ano. Mga from the youngest. The youngest. Asan yung oldest? Doon. To the oldest. Ito.
Papapakin ka lang ng...
Pag-prepare ng anong tawag dyan. Bait. Oh, wow.
ng mga limo.
Talaga.
Somebody...
They took my bait.
Oh, wow.
Ang ganda ng ilaw, oh.
I know, yung kulay niya. Talagang ano. Ate, dito ka lang.
Oy, Dinel, come. Oh. Ate, catch the big one.
Ay, di na lang dito na, oh. Ready na, anak. You have to watch out kung may mga nagkakasta. Ayan.
Hold me.
Busy-busy na ang mga experts. Ang mga experts.
Marami na ang kumakala.
Wow, may pailaw siya. Oh, ganda ng ilaw. Oh, ba? Pwede na ako maging ano dito. Ang tawag niya, cinematographer. Oh, wow. Oh, ha?
Oh, the bait fish when bait fish go up to the shore, that means they're feeding it.
DP?
Mabalin dyan may isang Brother Jason nga ikaragaw no na yunan. Jisingker. Natalnan? Mga 1 ounce dati dakal?
Oh, nailawan ba?
1 ounce dati dakal niya. Ah, 1.5.
Wow! Wow! UJ's first catch!
Timing mo nga ipakastit lang.
Oh, it's
1,
big!
2, 3.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
That's how it is. You feel it, right?
Yeah, I felt it.
Boom. Yeah, that's the timing.
Nice!
Oh, maybe that's something different.
Big. You got
Take your time, boy.
let's see.
Oh, videographer.
Here. Saan ba?
There, down there.
Down here?
Wherever the light's pointing. Mostly.
Take your time.
I cannot.
I'm so glad this has a 7.
Saan, anak?
Carlo.
Dito sa baba?
You got the right.
Right there.
Oh,
Oh my god.
It's a drum. Take your time.
Oh, wow.
It's a drum. It's a sheephead.
There!
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Take your time.
Oh my God! Eugene! Oh wow! Eugene!
That's drum.
Wow!
Ikaw na!
Eugene! So big, sis! Dali ka dito!
Oh, look at that.
Pwede na tayong ano?
Oh, you're dying. Yo.
Wow!
Okay,
I got it.
Wow! It's PJ's, I mean UJ's night.
Another one? Oh, there's another one. Another one.
Another one. Oh, another one. Let's go. Let's go, another one. Yes! Another one. Aidinel, saan? Ay, ayun pala! Akala ko nandun pa. Wow! Wow, sister!
Who caught it?
The family that fish together. Wow!
Fishy.
Galing naman. After the son, the mother naman. The mommy. Wow. Maamo ang ano Oh, ayan. Teka, picture.
For the light.
Oh, hindi ko na. Hindi ko na video yung pag-catch mo.
YouTube nyo na yan.
Hindi ko pala napindot, man.
Whitey na yan.
Whiting.
Ako na.
Akala ko kasi.
Oh, reels na yan.
Wow.
Reels. Uy, dakil. Manong pa. Naritram jay kastalan.
Yeah.
I came at the right time.
Ginutad ko.
So you came?
Yeah.
So they smelled you.
Kasi
You're the bait.
Ramanan na pa'y katintano.
Yeah, kas lang
Kinastamon.
namin ano na nga da mangkutin nga na nga ididimagsal mo po.
Idi no baybay am ngamin mapanji karabukog mat. Or maibatan na.
Okay, picture.
Ay, sorry. Ate.
Okay lang.
Talagang mild na i-hope.
Father and daughter fishing.
Wait.
It's there.
Ano yun?
That tiny little fish.
Silawang.
Tiny little fish.
Oh. Okay na.
Lara, doon. Sit down na lang doon, anak. Patiently waiting. Mga matyagang mangingisda. Taon. Lara, let's go in the car na. Huh? No? Uh-oh, watch me. Gising pa, I know. Sabi ko kay Lara, let's go in the car na.
Nawala, pero at least nawala yung lawak, ano?
Oo nga.
Tulog na yung mga lamok.
Tulog na, tayo na lang ang hindi. Baka pwede nang mag-fishing ang ano. Wow, Jaden is fishing. Very good. I hope you'll catch one. And Uriel. Everybody will get. Oh, you're following me. Okay, wrap around your neck, please. Here, girl. Okay. Okay. So, akong videographer. Ay, oo nga. Baka ako yung dito na ako maglalakad. At ako'y baka ma-hook. So, it's 12:35 and we're going around looking for a spot to fish. And on that side, na maraming ilaw buildings, that's America. Isang kaway lang, America na. Pwede lang lumangoy. Oh. Lake lang ang ang
daming tao.
oh, lake lang ang pagitan. Detroit na. Wow, very nice. And the lights are still naka-on. Alay. Grabe, talagang masinsin ang
Umuwi na sina Brother John, adot na aladan.
pangingisda. Umuwi na sila.
Okay na, adot na sila.
Yeah. So sila Martes.
So hindi natulog si Martes?
Hindi. Sumama sa sa...
Pati raw si Brother John hindi.
Good morning everyone. It's our second day here at Windsor. And we just had our breakfast. And now I'm looking outside from where our room is. That's the back. Oh, my furniture store pala outside. And then there's may Home Depot. Hindi ko alam may Home Depot pala. So yeah, this is our room and maybe I'll do a quick tour of our hotel room. I hope you enjoy watching this video. But before you watch, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi! So we just finished lunch and now we're going to, excuse me, we're going to the beach! And they're happy. So, nagta-travel kami. Yan. Convoy again. I forgot the name of the beach. But for sure, we chose the one with a high rating. 4.7. So let's see if it's really 4.7. So see you guys later at the beach. Sunscreen time for ate. What's the name of? Yeah.
Mommy, take your phone as a mirror now.
Okay. Bye. See you later, alligator. Gano'n na karaming nahuli. Wow. Ako, sumabit. Sumabit. lakas ng ano doon, oh. Sa States.
Meron, huwag niyong ibaba.
Okay, wag niyo ibaba. Ayun, ayun, ayun.
You, what is that? Pickerel. 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 What is that?
Babaan. Ikantirid, ay ka na. Banugan, banugan.
No, rooftop. Rooftop.
Pike. It's a pike.
Oh, Brother Jason, ha? Baka maano ka dyan. Okay, let's go.
Sana.
It's there!
Oh my
There!
Yes,
Wow, it's big!
one.
Wow! Lara!
Good job,
Wow! Seriously, Lara, it's yours?
Ibiso na lang ito.
Ginano lang niya? Wow!
Oh my God!
Ay,
Yes, it's still alive!
nakita ko na pepot mo. Ibiso na lang ito.
Good job, Arin. Good job.
Kumakain ako. Sabi ko ayoko may istorbo na video.
Everybody
Oh,
here.
wow!
Everybody here.
Great job, Lara! Ano ba yung kinakain? Ano lasa niyan?
Put it
Kinain niya. Mas isapay dito.
Anong bait niya?
You're the luckiest person I ever saw.
Wow! Say thank you.
Oh my gosh! Finally, your rod breaking person.
Baba.
Can I have it, sir?
Paspas.
Before you would always break your rod, but now.
Dito lang siya sa harap.
Oh, nilagay lang niya.
No.
Stinks
Ayan na di.
like you.
Lara, you wanna hold it? Take a picture? But you cannot hold. Okay, you pose with Papa.
Adati holder yo.
I don't care. I don't care.
Wow! It's big. Baka tatalon pa.
No.
That's a muskie. They like it.
These are.
It's okay. They got teeth, but if you grab them right from inside here,
I
open it up.
was doing it and then later.
That's it. Go underneath the
Oh,
gill.
this is musky, not the
That's
pike.
muskie.
Not pike.
No, that's Pike's cousin. That's a good fish.
No
That's
wonder
known.
there's no much teeth.
Yeah,
than
that's
pike.
known as the fish of 1,000 casts.
Oh man.
Oh, I don't know. Some people eat, some people don't. I don't eat.
Looks like he.
That's it.
Right. Thank you.
Looks like he though. Okay, Lara. Lara, go.
This one.
Wow, it's
heavy.
big as you.
Close there.
It's gonna bite your arm.
Muskie and northern pike, they look the
hands.
same.
Wow. Okay. Oh, there. Wow. Very good. Wow!
Wait. Atay, hold it again. You wanna hold it again? Laing ni Adi nilon oh.
Wow!
Number 2.
Okay, hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Good morning! Monday! Fishing again! Akala ko Kitchener na ang destination nyo.
Kaya nga. Mag-fishing pa daw yung
Oo.